Hey everybody, this is going to be how to add a shop to your Facebook page. Go to any page. Again, if you're not sure, all of your pages are right here on the farthest most. I'm just going to click one page. Here we go. You're going to go to your settings and you're going to edit page. When you edit your page, choose shopping. You don't have to. If there is a different template that you like, if you prefer services or venue, nonprofit, you can still add a shop. You just have to, it won't automatically turn it on. So you'll go down here to where you see shop and you'll change that setting to on. That's how you're going to get the shop there. If you change your template to shopping, it'll automatically turn on your shop. The next thing is you do have to go to your payments. This is what most people miss because your shop will not work without the payments properly done. So you're going to need to set up a Stripe account first. Some of you still are allowed to do PayPal accounts. Many of you will have problems doing PayPal. Stripe seems to work consistently. I do a lot of shops on Facebook for a lot of pages. So I never have a problem with Stripe. I have problems with PayPal all the time. You will have to create a Stripe account and connect it. As you can see, I'm already connected. It doesn't take that long. It's just something that has to be done if you haven't done it. And then you're eventually going to be able to go to your shop. This is what it looks like after you've configured it. This is after you have your payment done. This in just terms of making sure your business address, the business email, also your sales tax configurations, default shipping options, all of that you do right here. These are your default shop settings. And then when you're done with that, you can come back out to your page. You will see a shop button. Click on your shop. Remember, all of this has to be done from a browser, a pure browser, not one that's like on your iPad. It won't work on a tablet. It has to be a pure browser. These are fairly advanced functions. And here again, I'm going to go back home. Very important. A lot of people miss this. The shop. There is the shop. Now you click on Manage Shop. And here you can see that I've got all of and this is where I can add a product. Now, when I add a product, I can add both a photo and a video. The video right now, today, as of, what is today? January 28, 2018. That video does not show up on people's mobile phone. Most people that actually click on checkout make purchases via Facebook, or at least do the front end buying behavior on Facebook. They're on mobile devices primarily. So I'd go ahead and add the video. It's great. I'll show you one where, if they're on a browser and they click on the product, they will see the video. You can add multiple photos, recommended. You can inventory the item. You can also have a collection. You can bring in all kinds of sizes, colors, the material, quite a few. Almost as though Facebook went out and bought Shopify and just took all the Shopify capabilities and boom, put it right into Facebook natively. without any fees at all. Now, Stripe and PayPal are both normal, what you would expect. They are at 2.9% plus the 30-cent transaction fee. But again, you can add the photos, videos. Keep in mind the videos as of today will not show up on the mobile. And this is one that where you're going to check out. Let me go over here. This is when you're checking out on, let me see if I can do, as an admin a lot of time. Oh, good. Checkout on Facebook. You can see checkout on Facebook. So if I go to the checkout button, it will automatically bring in my payment information, my shipping address, and it's literally it's one button. All I do is click on that one. Let me take you to another one where it is not a checkout on Facebook. It is up to you. You tell it when you set up the shop for the first time if you want to check out on Facebook or if you want to check out on a website. Let's see, why is it giving me a hard time? Let's just go home first, and then let me see. Okay, I'm going to go to John Rector's Beach Studio. This shop is checkout. So let me do this one. Checkout on website, checkout on Amazon. When you click on this checkout, you go to Amazon. So you do not check out on Facebook. You actually check out on a website. Here, this is a checkout on my johnrector.me. So if I go there, it'll actually take me to, I see it a little differently than you do but this is my WordPress account. All right, so you've got all of that flexibility. You've set up your shop. Again, manage shop is over here. When you manage shop, you can see all of your products, and you can go into each one and you can edit. And when I edit, I can edit the price, I can edit the name, the description. This is my checkout URL since I'm an Amazon affiliate. It's a rather long link, but I don't have to worry about it. Nobody sees the long link. They just see a blue button called checkout. It's fairly straightforward. I could continue to add photos and videos. And notice here, I do not have any of the extra options in terms of size or whatever. Size and all of that is for checkout on Facebook only. When you are managing, you can have collections. Here's some of my collections. Featured products, show stuff, as in Facebook shows, gadgets for geeks, and beach stuff. And you can even feature one of those. You can tell it which collection that you want featured on your page. And so that's when I'll look at this page as a visitor, view as a page visitor. And you can see when it finally comes up that the shop, if I go down far enough, I have my shop. This is what I am featuring right now. Okay, but within those collections, you can feature whatever you want. And again, your shop is, so let's go ahead and tag something. Let me show you what a tag looks like. This is on the desktop, obviously. Here we go. So you can see this is a video, and you can see it's got a product tag. I'm going to go to another page where I do a lot of tagging. Like you can tag a single video or image up to 30 tags. 30 tags is the limit. Let's go. Okay, so here we go. And this is obviously with your finger on your mobile, but with your mouse, you can see once I go here, I can keep clicking. I could have 30 of those. So you can have a lot of tags on a single image. All right, I'm going to edit. And right here, see, tag a product. So that's like tag people in a video. This could be an image. This is like where you're tagging the location. In Facebook terminology, that's called check-in. If you were on Instagram, so Instagram, you could do the same thing. So if you go to John Rector _ on Instagram, you can see an example of product tags on Instagram if you look for the Arthur Ravenel Bridge. So if you go to Instagram, John Rector _ one word, _ look for the Arthur Ravenel Bridge in Charleston, and you'll see product tags on Instagram versus what they look like on Facebook. Here's how you tag products on Facebook. And that's where they show up. They show up directly underneath the image, or in this case, the video. And if I were to go home, again on my desktop, and I'm looking at a news feed, the good and the bad news about product tags, I think of it as good news, is that there aren't that many people using product tags. So you stand out a little bit. But because there's not a whole lot of product tag, the vast majority of people still don't really engage with product tags on Facebook yet. Matter of fact, the engagement with a product tag is higher on Instagram, and that's just because the tag shows up exactly the same way that a person tag shows up. It's no different. It just has a price, and when you click on it, it'll take you to the checkout. I'm still looking for somebody else that's done one, and I don't see any product tags in my news feed. So let me just go back to one of my pages. I'll go back to this one. And let's come on down to where. And there it is. In this case, not only images or photos, but this is a link story. This is a link to the Business Insider, and notice I tagged the link. So I've got multiple types of tag. That's a service, consulting service, and that's a product. So the nice thing about tagging is that you can tag both products and services.